Good morning, students. I hope everyone is fine. Today, we are going to do something very easy. We are going to continue chapter 15, Introduction to Graph. Our today's topic is reading of points on Cartesian plane. Students, you have already understood how to plot points on Cartesian plane. Now, today we will study how to find coordinates of the points which are already plotted on Cartesian plane. Before going to our today's topic, let us first revise few terms which are going to help you in understanding today's topic. Students, you see that we have a Cartesian plane here which is made by two perpendicular lines. The horizontal line is called x-axis, the vertical line is called y-axis. The point of intersection of these two lines is called origin. And the coordinates of origin is always 0, 0. Also, we know one most important thing, that is these coordinate axes or these two perpendicular lines divide the complete Cartesian plane into four quadrants. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. So this is something we already know. Now let's move ahead. Now students, you already know about coordinates of a point. You know that the coordinates of a point has two numbers written inside a round bracket and the numbers are separated by a comma. For example, say I am writing one coordinate over here, 2, 3. Now this is of course a coordinate of a point, and where the first number is called x coordinate and the second number is called y coordinate. Now students, here it's very important to understand what is x coordinate and what is y coordinate. X coordinate tells us the distance of a point along x-axis from origin, and y coordinate is the distance along y-axis of a point from the origin. Now students, I am going to tell you very easy trick, very easy method to calculate the coordinates of a given point. You see that the point is, let's come to this point which is already made over here. I have to calculate its coordinate. Okay, I need to read this point, I need to read the location of this point, and for that I need to know the x coordinate and y coordinate. So what am I going to do? I will simply draw straight lines from this point on both the axes. Okay, now let's see, I'm doing it. I've made a straight line on x-axis from the given point, and I'm doing the same on y-axis. I have made one more straight line on y-axis from the given point. Now students, you see that this straight line has given me the x coordinate, which is -3, and the another straight line on y-axis has given me the y coordinate. Now what are the coordinates of this given point? It is -3, 2. Okay, so -3, 2 are the coordinates of the given point, and that's very clear that this point lies in second quadrant. So that's how we find the coordinates of the given point. Students, again on this Cartesian plane, there are certain points already plotted, and we will find the coordinates of the points plotted over here. We will follow the same method which we have just done for the previous example. Now first of all, let us talk about point A. I need to find the coordinates of point A. Okay, so for that I will draw two straight lines from point A on both the axes. See, I am making it. Okay, on x-axis I have made one straight line, and I am doing the same thing on y-axis. Okay, I have made straight lines. Now these straight lines have helped me finding the coordinates, both the coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. So here x coordinate is +3 and y coordinate is +4. So now let us write the coordinates of point A. It is +3, 4. This point lies in first quadrant. Now students, I'm removing this so that it doesn't go dirty. Now let's talk about point B. I will make two straight lines on both the axes again. See, I'm doing it. On x-axis I've made one straight line and on y-axis. Now doing this, I have got both the coordinates. X coordinate is -3 and y coordinate is +2. So what are the coordinates of point B? Yes, it is -3, +2. Now this point lies in second quadrant. Come to point C. We'll do the same thing, students, here. I will make a straight line on x-axis and on y-axis. I have got the coordinates. -2 is x coordinate and -4 is y coordinate. So what are the coordinates of point C? It is -2, -4, and this point, the point C, lies in third quadrant. Now students, let's talk about point D. Let's do the same thing. A straight line on x-axis and a straight line on y-axis. Now what are the coordinates, students? X coordinate here is +6 and the y coordinate here is -3. So now let's write the coordinates of point D. It is 6, -3. Now the last point over here is point E. Now you can see that this point E is at the intersection of two perpendicular lines. That is nothing but the origin. We know that the coordinates of origin is always 0, 0. Okay, now here I would like to tell you one most important thing, students, that is always when you write the coordinates of a point, remember the x coordinate is always written first, followed by y coordinate. If you swap their numbers, their values, the coordinates of a point will go wrong. I hope you have understood. Again, we have certain points on Cartesian plane for which the coordinates are to be found. But this time I am not going to do it. This is your turn. So you have to find the coordinates of these points, students. This is a part of homework. Find the coordinates of these points. And thank you so much for watching.